up, guys? My name is Dan, and this is
Lauren.
And we're about to do Slinky Dog Dash here at Disney's Hollywood Studios. And here comes the launch. Picks up some good speed right there. Make a little turn. And now diving down. Woohoo! There's a little airtime there.
And just as you say woohoo, he's going woohoo!
I know. Woo! Nice little pops of air here.
A little turn. Woo!
Good G's there. Whoa! And it looks like we're coming up to the second launch, taking a little bit of a break now. And it seems like we're slowing down.
Yes.
Now we're going backwards. That's a little different.
Why is there flames on either side?
I don't know.
Should we
And
be
now
scared?
why are they spinning?
Yeah, that doesn't.
Seems like we're powering up, and here we go.
My oh my god!
Woo!
Woo!
A little floater airtime there. Now we're coming up into the quad down. Little bunny hills. Whee!
Woo!
Little pops and dive back down. And up into the brakes. That was pretty cool, actually.
That was actually pretty nice.
So, not gonna lie, that was pretty good. I mean, in terms of like family roller coasters and whatnot, that's a really long ride, has really good G-forces, good speed.
Yes.
It has launches.
Yeah.
I can't find anything to fault about it. I mean, what do you think about it?
It's definitely one of Disney's better coasters. It's definitely something unique that I haven't seen before from the park.
Yeah, I really like it. And at the very end, we have a stinging penguin. See, you've got a friend in me, of course.
You've got a friend in us.
Yeah, you have a friend in us. But again, this is Dan and Lauren signing out from Midway Mayhem here at Slinky Dog Dash at Hollywood Studios. Remember, it's officially open now, Toy Story Land. So get out to the park.